Yes, good morning, children. Welcome back to your online classes. Today is your English class. Yes, last class I done lesson number 2, run boy run. So today I'll complete lesson number 1 and lesson number 2, new types. Take out your textbook. Take out your pencil also. Okay, you should not use pen, children. Take out your textbook. Open page number 14. Lesson number 1, the learned fools. Hope you have understood the lesson, yes, no? So take out your textbook, page number 14, and take out your pencil and eraser. The 4 friends liked each other. The 4 friends liked each other. Yes, true. First one is true. The 4 friends liked each other. All the 4 were learned men? No, only 3 were learned men. So second one, false. Third one, the 4th man had no common sense. 4th man has common sense. So this is also false. The 3rd man brought the animal back to life. True. He only brought animal back to life. The 4th man saved his friends from the lion. No. So it is false. Yes, copy down this. Yes, choose the correct answer. Alright, this is true or false. Page number 114. Not page number 14. This is page number 15. Choose the correct answer. First one. The 4th man was clever. C. Yes, the bones were of lion. Third one, the first learned man knew how to put the bones together. A. The 4th man climbed a tall tree. Answer A. 5th man, the lion killed the 3 men. B. Tick for B. Yes, copy this. Yes, now page number. See question answers. Question and answer it is in your classwork, no? So after completing your classwork, you can complete your textbook part also, question answers in the textbook. Okay, I won't write on the board. Yes, see children, on 21st, your English, only that God made them all, the learned truth. The Learned Fools classwork came. On 22nd, it came all the lesson, I think so. So by mistake it came. See, The Learned Fools, The Run Boy Run, The Musicians of Brahman, A Kitten, A Story of Chocolate, Tenali Raman and Thieves, A Lesson to Learn What is Pink, The Wish. All lesson by mistake it came, children. So one lesson you complete. Which lesson I will do on the board? No, that lesson you complete and bring the classwork for correction. English part don't write full. By mistake it came, children. So complete one lesson. Okay, so now you should complete 3 lessons. God made them all. The Learned Fools, Run by Run. Only 3 lessons you complete. Other and all don't complete. After doing lesson, no. So you can complete your classwork one lesson. You complete, children, when you are having time. So now at present, you complete only 3 lessons. So vocabulary. Write the opposites of the underlined words. Okay. Page number 16. Page number 16. Opposites. First one, the 3 men were learned, but the 4th man was foolish. Second one, is the animal dead or alive? Alive, you write alive. The tiny mouse trembled with fear on seeing the huge lion. These shoes look expensive, but they are quite cheap. The red light says stop, the green light says go. Let's complete this. Yes, see your children, opposites you write here clever, not foolish. Okay, it is clever. Clever, first one opposites clever, alive, huge, cheap, go. Next is match the words to make word pairs. Okay, match. Page number 16 only, match. Far, wide. Up, down, in, out, now, then, here, there. See, I have written direct answers. If you want to match the number means 5, 4, 2, 1, 3. Right? There means 5, 4, 2, 1, 3. Yes, shall I rub the board? Yes. Next, fill in the missing letters. I'll write direct answer. Fill in the missing letters. Missing letters. First one, a person who lacks knowledge is said to be ignorant. Second one, a place full of trees and animals is a forest. Act of traveling from one place to another is called journey. A person having a lot of knowledge is said to be a learned. A part of a tree or a plant is a branch. As copied on, this is missing. Let us, I did not put dash. You complete. Now page number 17. See, imperatives are verbs that express a command, request or suggestion. It's outside. Don't go out. It's cold outside. Put on your sweater. So now complete this sentence with your own ideas. Write imperative sentence as shown in the examples. The baby is sleeping. First one, what you should write answer? Don't disturb it. Don't disturb it. Second one, the pan is hot. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. It's very dark outside. Don't go out. Don't go out. This vase is made of glass. Handle with care. It's raining. Don't go out. Your exams are fast approaching. Don't waste the time. You look tired. Take a rest for a while. Take a rest for a while. Conditional sentence, real or possible condition. Condition sentence is formed thus: if, present simple tense, simple future. The lion will eat us up if you give it life. The sentence means that action in the future will happen only if a certain condition is fulfilled by that time. We don't know for sure whether the condition will be fulfilled or not, but the condition seems real or possible, so we think it will likely to happen. Now complete this sentence suitably. First one, see, you will pass if you work hard. Now second one, I will come to the party if he pick up me. I will go out if it is dark. I will not go out if it is dark. The glass will break if you touch. The dog will bite if you chase it. You will fall sick if you drench. Drench means in the rain you will be wetted. No, that is only drench. Let's copy down this. Yes, shall I rub the board? Just pause your mobile. Complete everything, children. Seventh one is there, wait. Next page. You will fall down if you go there. Eighth one. You will get tired if you work continuously. Shall I rub the board? Yes, learn all the new types, children. Question answers, it is given in the classwork. Okay, this and all directly you write it in the textbook with the pencil. Now, first one, fill in the blanks with suitable phrases. The phrase has two or more words. It can have a verb, noun, or an adjective with the preposition. Okay, I don't dash with you say. What you say? I don't agree with what you say. Second one, please wait for me. Don't go away. Third one, I listen to some music every day. You should write in cursive only. She is good at maths. Hyderabad is famous for pearls. Famous. See, they have given some answers. Okay, so you should choose and write. Are you angry with me? Seventh one, do these books belong to you? Belong to you. Can I speak to Ravi, please? Speak to. So you should choose and write, children. You should choose. Answers were given in the box. Just choose and write. Yes, read these words aloud. Note the difference in the sound of the letters OO. Good, food, fool, look, goose, food. So, first one is good. They have given some example. Here, food. Cook. Fool. Stood. Goose. Look. Fool. School. Food. Yes, complete this. Here, make suggestions. Here are some expressions we use to make suggestions and respond to them. Suggestion, let's buy. First one, buy. Yes, that would be great. Shall we love? Yes, I add love too. What about that? In the box it is there. Why don't you try? Yes, shall I wrap? Yes, copy down this. Yes, shall we go out for dinner? First one, oh, that's a good idea. Second one, I have a bad cold. Why is there? Why are you not well? Third one, how about going for a picnic? Yes, that's a good idea. It's getting late. Fourth one, let's move. Your room is very dirty. Why are you not keeping clean? Yes, copy this. Yes, shall I rub the board? Yes, the last one. Creative writing skills. You all read the story about the learned fools. Write a story of your own about your friends. Once there were four friends. Some 5 to 6 lines they have given. So you can write your own. Okay, write some story about your friends. Now open lesson number 2. Open lesson number 2. Page number 22. Page number 22. True or false? Page number 22. Lesson number 2. Glenn Cunningham was an Indian athlete. He was an American athlete. So false. Glenn Cunningham was a cripple. True. The accident took place at home. False. It took place in school. Glenn did not give up hope. True. Glenn was the first man to run a mile in 4 minutes. True. Yes, choose. First one. Glenn and his brother Floyd has a task of lighting the stove. C. Glenn had always wanted to be a fast runner. Glenn was in bed for a year. Glenn became a runner at school at the age of 13. So, first one is C, second one is A, third one is B, fourth one is C. Question answers, it has given in the classwork PDF. So, copy from your classwork question answers, okay children? Underline the correct form of the word. Yes, okay, underline the correct form. I'll write only answer. Many dash children get awards every year. Many brave children. First one. Second one, always speak the truth. Put dash. Okay, I'm writing answer. Raju was dash because he had lost his book. Raju was sad. Many people dash in the train accident, died. Many means died. One means dead. The boys walk quickly. Now page number 24. Page number 24. Opposites. First one, interesting. Uninteresting. Conscious, unconscious. Possible, impossible. Stop, madam. Yes, possible, impossible. Polite, impolite. Order, disorder. educated, uneducated. Yes, believe, unbelieve. Agree, disagree. Pleased, displeased. Expected, unexpected. Perfect, imperfect. Proper, improper. So we should use this opposites by using prefix un, im and this. So I have written all, copy down. Next, here I'll rub the board, children. Missing letters. First one. A person trained in sports is an athlete. Sticks used as support by a disabled person while walking are called crutches. A bomb blast causes an explosion. A test of a skill or activity is called competition. An incident that causes damage or injury is called accident. Yes, shall I rub the board? Yes, this combine that sentence using oo. So here I'll end my class. The next class I'll continue this, children. Okay. English homework. So next I'll complete that, okay? So we'll stop the class here. English homework, lesson number 2. Meanings. Meanings one time. Okay, lesson number 2, meanings I have given one time because your PDF and all it came, you have to complete. So English homework, lesson number 2, meanings one time. Here I'll end my class, children. Thank you.